All right, so today I'm going to show you parents where your child can go to do typing. I know it's something that's expected of them at this point, but it has never been taught. So and we don't really have the time in the day to show them. But if you want to do it, then I just want to show you where you can find it. So they would go to, they go to Clever, and they should already be logged in. But if not, go ahead and pick your child's name. And then hit next, just like they normally log into Clever. But instead of picking Benchmark Advanced, you're going to pick the EDU typing. With the EDU typing, when you see this, you should only see this once. But if it pops up, you want to be Rena Corbin ELA Reading. And then you click OK. And then here are all the lessons that your child can do. And then you would just hit Start. So there's the computer basics, some of the foundation, and then it's going to start doing some lessons down here. So they just work through it at their own pace, and it just naturally takes them through it. It has why, gives you some reasons why, they can review it, and then they hit review, go back to lessons. So they just keep on going here. The practice library, you have some here, the letters. We have the parts of a computer. If you want that, you can have that. That's not necessarily for typing. But this number 2, where do your fingers go? It shows them how to put it on the home screen and what it should look like on here and practicing. You don't really have to download any packet unless you want to. So that one I recommend, and then the letters and symbols is going to practice it, and then it will start timing it, and then words and sentences, and then the numbers. This is just an option that I wanted to let you know is there if you would like your child to have like typing practice without having to pay for a separate program.